Hi, morning. This is Watch Hobby. Today I'll be doing another unboxing. This time it's a Seiko. So this is the box itself. Nice white box with the Seiko emblem printed at the top. The manual, 6R35. And this is the warranty documentation as well, and the main watch box now. So I guess you want to know what is the watch that I got. Well, I got myself the latest Alpinist. This is the SPB117J1, made in Japan, timepiece. Here's the reference number. This is the price in Malaysia. This is the reference number. Anyway, I'll be doing a full review on this watch soon. Do follow this channel, and then you can then you can hear what I have to say about this watch. Anyway, bye bye for now.